Good evening, everyone. Tonight we're making lovely cheesesteaks. We have some lovely shaved beef steak ready to go. I've already sauteed up some onions, green pepper, and an orange or yellow pepper in my frying pan, my saute pan, and those cooked up for about 10-15 minutes in some nice olive oil. And now I'm going to add the shaved steak. Okay, so we put the steak into the pan with some olive oil. We're going to season it up with a little adobo. But this is going to cook now for a few minutes. And once it's done on both sides, we're going to assemble the cheesesteak. We have some nice rolls. We got right here some nice, really nice deli rolls, and we've got some really nice white American cheese from the deli, and we're going to assemble it all together with the peppers. And it's just going to be an easy 20-minute at the most weekday meal that's delicious. So here this sliced steak has cooked up nicely. We use some adobo seasoning. Try to keep some adobo in the house. It really makes the seasoning of meat and chicken very easy, and it's usually delicious. And we have the bread ready to go and the cheese, and it's all going to get assembled. And voila, the finished product, a beautiful, juicy cheesesteak sandwich made at home. You can also put a little Hellmann's real mayonnaise on the side, because you know it's not mayonnaise unless it's Hellmann's. Enjoy.